Hi everyone, if you're watching this video, that means you have finished the Do Now and you submitted that into the classroom. So I'm just going to give you a quick overview of this week's work. This is Chemical Bonding Part 2. You will get called back to small group instruction, so you have to wait your turn for that. I plan on calling back as many as 4 students at a time. When you leave small group instruction, you'll be going over to my lab table to complete a portion of the chemical bonding lab, and you'll be focusing on solubility. But while you are waiting to get called back to small group instruction, you're going to be working on these red circles here. So the first one is covalent bond guided notes. So this tab is just instructions. You will need your notebook, specifically notebook page 16, and you'll also need your textbook. Please be sure to use the textbook pages that I am asking you to, 391 and 392. And all of these bullets must be in your notes on notebook page 16, and they are all about covalent bonds. The next activity that you're going to work on over here is the worksheet workshop. There are only 2 of them this time. You're going to find them in the exact same location right over here on my side counter. So you'll find both worksheets right there. The first one, I'd like you to do them in order. So the first one is a properties worksheet. And on the bottom of the worksheet, there are many different types of physical and chemical properties. You have to actually cut them out and get a glue stick and paste them into the correct area on the top. I do have a video here that can help you if you need a reminder of the different physical and chemical properties of ionic and covalent bonds. The second worksheet is organizing and sorting ionic and covalent bonds by looking at the chemical formulas. So this one, you'll need to remember which of the elements are metals. That would go under ionic, or if they're all nonmetals, that goes under covalent. So you're going to be using this worksheet to sort all of these molecules into either the ionic or covalent group. And again, if you need help, you will use this video link to help you with that. As you go through this week's work, which by the way is due on December 23rd, this coming Friday, I'd like you to keep track every day of the work that you have completed. So here on the next slide is your student tracker. All you need to do is copy and paste your check mark next to what you have completed. If you started something and towards the end of class you notice you're not going to get done, then you could copy and paste this this yellowish check mark, which would indicate that you have started something but it's not done yet, that you're still working on it. All right, so that is this week's work, and I will be at the round table in the back doing small group instruction.